Hello, today is May 19. Finally, after 6 months of work, able to test the engine. Then I just put it back together. Then we have a chance that it may work. So let's give it a shot. Should be interesting. Okay, number one, flip the homemade switch. And number two, we take the little switch, get the starter going, and let's see. Nice, beautiful, love it. Nice job. Oh, this is beautiful. I just love it. Smoking a little bit. There was oil, probably by the piston. Most likely normal. I'm not worried about it. Beautiful. That's one main step right here. Number one. Then number two is to fix this, and number three is to have both together. Thank you for watching. Bye.